Hello guys, thanks for coming. This is Razu Studios, and I think it's been a long time since I have uploaded my second video, and today I come up with an encryption and decryption algorithm in Python. Okay, so just follow my tutorial, and I have uploaded the code to GitHub repository, so you can get it right there. But before that, I have to show you something and how it works. Okay, so let's get started. First, we have two scripts. The first one is an encryption script, and the second one is a decryption script. So I open the encryption script first. e-3 py okay, so simple 3x pinky block encryptor. So it shows us how we can use this script. We have to open first this, and the text the file we want to encrypt, and the key that we will be encrypting that text with. Okay, so for example, I have a Java file, so I'm gonna encrypt this file and decrypt that. Okay, so first I write Python minus 3b encryption minus 3b py then test.java then the key. So I have the key sling is it. You can visualize it as you wish. So after this is code right here, but I have a line of this. Okay, let me try an 8 key 2. Then enter. So it encrypted the Java file, and it saves us this .java.3x pinky block. Okay, so let me check that in my directory. Sorry. So there it is. And if I try to open this file with my text editor, right, it's encrypted. So I can encrypt this with a decryption algorithm. Okay, let me show you now. Decrypted pinky. So now the text file is decrypted. So let me check that. Okay, here it is. Okay, thanks for watching. If you want the source code, please comment in the comment box below and like this video and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. The link is available in the comment below. Thank you.